Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install ZPUZ in your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser and then you can simply come over into the browser search and then you can simply search for ZPUZ. Then click on ZPUZ. Then you're going to get the first website. Click on that. Click on download ZPUZ. Click on download. Select US. And now you can simply click on download, and as you can see that the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission. Now you can simply minimize all of your background tab, and here you can simply click on yes, and here is your setup. Wizard is gaming. Click on next and install, and click on finish. And now you can simply move it over here and then click on it 2 times to open it. And here is your GPU is rightly opened in your computer, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install ZPUZ in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.